Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making puri. Quite simple to do once you've done the chapati atta dough. I have done a video on how to do that, so look down in my description box below. If you haven't done the dough, you need to do that first. So after you've done the dough, quite simple, very similar to a chapati, but it's deep fried. So I'll show you the process here. This is the chapati dough we got here. Right, so you want to pinch a little bit off, same amount as your chapati, similar amount. So we've got a little dough here. So we've just pinched a bit off. It's about the size of a ping pong ball, and it's roughly about 60 grams. It doesn't need to be exact, but I've just given you a rough estimation here. Got flour here, self-raising flour we got. I mean, I don't think it matters which flour you use. And then we're just rolling it, same process as the chapati, nice and thin, evenly round. I turn it around as well. But as you can see, it's round as sort of as much as I could make it. Not perfectly round, but it is round as I could possibly make it. And again, I'm just going to use a naan technique to make it bigger. If you can't do this, I'm using a naan technique just to kind of get it out a bit. Just roll it, keep rolling it with a rolling pin. This is just, I'm just used to doing it like this, and you know, I know I can do it quicker than the rolling pin. So look, that's gone quite bigger now. So we've got the rolled chapati dough here. So exactly the same process as the chapatis so far. This is where it differs. The chapatis goes on a tower, and then the flames used to make it more baked kind of type. The puri is fried, so you've just got to chuck it in deep fried oil. Now be careful, it doesn't take long at all. Once your oil is hot, it's pretty much nearly done. So just gonna turn it around. Right. Now, that's pretty much done. You don't want it to be done too long because it goes very hard. So can you see? It's just that goldeny colour, and it's pretty much done. Now, where it's been deep fried, there's a lot of oil there. You can't just serve this straight out. So what you need to do is get some sort of tissue or kind of thing and just take out, soak out the oil. Just kind of getting the bread or you can leave it sort of, if you've got time, leave it on a sort of a colander or frying basket to then let the oil drain out. I've just used a bit of tissue. Okay guys, there you have it, a puri bread.